Hey YouTube, Budzilla here. Just want to make a quick video. I was actually looking at how to do this online, and I couldn't find any way, so I made my own, and I'm going to show you what I did here. So this is basically a York rake that I hooked up to my backhoe in place of the bucket, the backhoe bucket. And all I did is I bought one of these 3-point quick hitches from Harbor Freight, as you can see. And attach the 3-point rake to it. I had to make my own mounts. You know, normally this part right here would mount flat against your tractor. I had to make some mounts and put some bushings in there, but it works really well. Oh, scared me. Let me just put this out here. That's it.